What's up traders, welcome to Failure to Displace, where we're going to be utilising some ICT concepts to try and ensure that every day is a payday. In this video we're going to be looking at the Silver Bullet simplified process just to see what opportunities were available to us to try and extract some profits from the market. Today is June the 20th, 2023 and we're going to be looking at the Silver Bullet setup in the London session, specifically looking at the EURUSD pair. So let's get into the charts. We'll start off by marking out our liquidity levels. So we're going to use our sessions to help determine potential targets for liquidity to get swept. So we'll start left to right. So we have a high, which is put in New York on Friday. So that's our extreme buy side liquidity. We've then got Asia high from yesterday. We've also got London high from yesterday that has not been tapped yet. And we can see coming into the Silver Bullet hour, we've just swept the New York high from yesterday and have pulled back into the range. Let's try and get some sell side on here, see what we've got as potential targets. So sell side, we have yesterday's low. The New York low from yesterday was taken, let's zoom this in, was taken in Asia and then pulled back inside the range. So we've taken the low, pulled back in the range, so unable to displace lower, so that's quite a bullish sign. I'll stick the Asia low in. Made another attempt at the low in the gap time, so we've got a gap time low here between Asia and London. We pulled back, hit this order block, so we're unable to take the liquidity and have gone higher to take out the New York high. We can see if we pull a GAN here that we are currently at equilibrium, so we're kind of in the middle of the range at the moment. So we are pulling back. We really want to be taking shorts in a premium, targeting a discount. If we're going to take longs, we want to be taking longs in a discount, looking to target a premium. So we have had a failure to displace above and we are pulling back inside the range, which means I expect a deeper pullback here. We've already pulled back into a discount area just before the Silver Bullet session opens up. Let's drop on a lower time frame and see what we've got. So yeah, we can see that the high was swept. We had a break of structure here, leaving a fair value gap. So this was a really nice entry actually. Here, break of structure with displacement. That would have given you a lovely trade to take out this liquidity, potentially running it all the way down here. As it stands now, because we're at equilibrium, I wouldn't want to be getting involved in a short position this far down the run. The move's already on. So let's see what we get offered. If we get a pullback into this area, so potentially into this order block, and then start creating fair value gaps again to come bearish, then I would look to getting price action in this premium area. Let's have a look here. So we're going to get a pullback. Pullback respected this fair value gap and have driven lower. Created a fair value gap here. Again, this fair value gap is already in a discount, so I wouldn't want to be entering short here. We've not got much room to take out the sell side below us. If we're going to go short, we want to be going short in a premium area. Okay, so price is pulling back. I've had a break of structure now. Bullish, leaving fair value gaps. Yeah, so we've broken this structure with displacement to the bullish side, so this looks like a buy. Let's see if we get a reversal here. We're into this final order block. This is where we would want this to be looking at reversing. See if we can break this swing low. No, we've taken the high, so we've put in a new high now. So what have we got? We're going to pull back in here. Our break of structure is still going to be down here, so we need quite a strong pullback. No, so it looks like price is displacing higher now. So we're breaking structure here, displacing higher. So it looks like our target will be further up. So we've got the London session highs from yesterday that we're looking to take. Let's zoom in and see what happens here. We've taken those London highs. Not quite taken the previous daily high. Break of structure here. Right, so strong break of structure there with displacement. Pull back inside the range from London. So potential short trade here. Order block there. This would be our breaker block. Another order block there. So your entry will be on this upper fair value gap. So this is basically the ICT 2022 mentorship now that we're looking for. We've swept this liquidity. We want to be pulling back into a discount of this leg. So 50% is just here of this price leg. So if I'm going to short this, I want to be into a fair value gap that's in a discount. So we've got an order block, we've got a breaker block. Let's see if this gets tagged. And we've gone for a 5 pip stop loss, 5 pip take profit. Okay, so we've hit that order block. A deep pullback. Oh. Okay, so left fair value gap here. So we've hit our 5 pip take profits, our 1-to-1 there. So I would be personally on my trading plan closing out in full. However, let's just see if we can get a 2-to-1 because that is something that I'm interested in maybe implementing moving forward. One thing that's maybe slightly concerning is we are so close to taking out the previous day high. With price just feathering under, I mean, that's just asking to be taken. So I'm not sure how far this would retrace before taking that high. Oh, so it's come back. That has stopped us out, so that's the 5 pips. So we would have only got a 1-to-1 on this one. See if he'd have taken this entry. So we're going to need a breaker structure down here now before we could look at another entry. Let's remove that. So we've still not taken the high. We've got relative equal highs just under previous day's high now. This is definitely a sign that the price is probably going to go higher. And we're outside the silver bullet hour actually. So potential 1-to-1 there if you were careful. There was an opportunity to get short in a discount here, which would have resulted in a loss if you'd have got taken in that. So it's just being mindful about where you are in price and how much room you've got to get to the liquidity below us. So we're in a discount, so it's not really worth chasing price down there. Could have potentially taken one loss there and then one win up here. So I hope there was some value there. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the content, did find it useful, then please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep these coming. And thanks for watching. I'll see you again shortly with a New York session review where we're going to take a look at the US 500 this afternoon. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.